I'm on my Litecoin wallet, and then I'm going to go to the convert feature. And just as an example, I'm going to preview a conversion of 100 US dollars of Litecoin and convert it to Bitcoin and go on the review order status. And if you've used this convert feature in the past, you may have seen there used to be some information that had the fee and then $0 because it used to claim that there is no fee for converting crypto on Coinbase. Well, that's actually misleading. There is definitely a fee. In fact, the fee in the past used to be up to 10%. It was very, very high. And to actually see more information about the fee, it's hidden away in this little tooltip. So it's very sneaky. And if you go here, it talks about spread, as in the price could change when it's executed and all this rubbish. Coinbase loves to use spread as an excuse, but really the 1.88% fee is always going to be in your conversions, right? So it's basically a 2% fee. In fact, I'm using Coinbase One, and I'm apparently saving $1. So it would be even higher if you aren't using Coinbase One. So my advice is whenever you do a conversion, if you actually want to use this feature, is always look up the amount you're getting on the other side, in this case, Bitcoin. Because if you look up this amount with a currency converter, it will be about $98. So it's a $2 fee for this. So you can imagine for higher amounts, the fee is actually much higher. So my recommendation is to not use the conversion feature because there are cheaper ways to do this, and I can show you that in a second. But if you do have to use it, maybe you want to just do a really quick conversion for some reason, just always check how much you're getting on the other side just to see if it's actually worth doing, because I was basically ripped off for years, like I mentioned, having up to 10% fees, and it was very frustrating. But yes, if I do want to convert Litecoin to Bitcoin, what you can do is use advanced trading because the advanced trading fees are usually very low. So to do this, you want to toggle on the advanced view down here. And just as an overall example, I'm not going to go into this too much, but you can go on to the Litecoin spot trading page. So this is the Litecoin to USDC pairing. So what I'm doing here is I can sell Litecoin at a certain price, say $104, and the proceeds of that sale goes to my USDC wallet. So that's just the currency that Coinbase uses as one of the main currencies, US dollar coin. So I could sell $100 worth of Litecoin at this price, and that would go to my USDC wallet. Once that's done, I could then go to the Bitcoin advanced trading page, and then I could use the new USDC that I've received from my Litecoin sale to buy the Bitcoin at a certain price that I want to buy it at. Because advanced trading fees are so low, the selling of the Litecoin to USDC and the buying of the Bitcoin from USDC should have a much lower overall fee than the 2% you're getting from conversions. The only difference is with advanced trading, there's a few more steps involved, as you can see, because you have to pick a sell price and a buy price. But that would be my recommended approach to basically taking some Litecoin and converting it to Bitcoin. That's the cheapest method that I found.